Jurif.com.
I got to work, I am a chemist, I'm about to handle some business. Put in that work, I call it chemistry, tell them we Uber for business. Put in work, 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 put in, put in, put in. I got to work, give them that work, loaded, I'm open for business. I jump in the booth, then I jump on these tracks. You would've thought I was Superman. Stupid nigga think he's super bad. Run up on him, I don't need the clan. Run up on a fully loaded clip. Catch a nigga, he already ran. Let it rain a couple rounds on him. Get him wet about a couple hits. Hit or miss or take his bitch from him. Damn, I hope that he don't love that bitch. Pass around until my next homie. Now we act like we don't know the bitch. Do it dirty, this is business. But what we doing ain't your business. Went to work up like I'm trapping on him. Got the bread and started stacking on him. This is licking all the balls of brick. Applause them all, I started clapping on him. All of my work, niggas they work, come with that, work with that, body them, what you looking for, fuck with that, I got that. I got to work, I am a chemist, I'm about to handle some business. Put in that work, I call it chemistry, tell them we Uber for business. Put in work, 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 put in. Steady mobbing, this is easy work. All my niggas keep it MOB. Shorty bad, she wanna fuck the ball. Gotta fuck the team before you fuck with me. Mommy know I like it nasty. She get on top and put in all the work. Niggas say they wanna bring me down. Keep trying now, never work. Sitting on them since 88. Yeah, nigga, that's light work. Niggas talk but never to my face. Nah, nigga, down never hurt. Running laps, I been won the race. I got big work and I ran with it. Losing niggas started changing pace. They had no choice but to fuck with it. I could buy a whole lot tomorrow. Shopping sprees, you see I put in work. Niggas always want something free. Like the will and scale to put in work. I'ma get these niggas what they want. I like to see a nigga on his feet. Niggas always shopping for what they want. I collect to put their profit where I need. I got to work, I am a chemist. I'm about to handle some business. Put in that work, I call it chemistry. Tell them we Uber for business. Put in work, 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 put in work. This what I do, respecting, no disrespecting. My niggas reckless, them guns are banging, them shots are ringing, them bodies drop, cause them rounds heavy, them shots fired, I called it in. I got a whole team now, I put in work, and they be out to shoot you if I see you first, and if I got it on me, I'ma bust you first. Leave a nigga laying in the fucking dirt, niggas wanting mercy, better go to church. They be fucking with me, end up in the hearse, and put him in the dirt, and leave him in the earth. Chopper clips and cut his top off, if I touch him up and push wigs back. Line him up, I made him fade away like I'm Stephen Curry from the way back. Way back. I got the juice, moving I shoot. We bout to fuck up the industry. Put in that work, I call it chemistry. Tell them we over for business. Put in work, COS. Flipping that work like a gymnast. Shit on your life, where to do that? Like it or not, we the winners.